and welcome to Rapid Plus TCT. In collaboration with SME, 3D Natives is bringing you insights directly from the event in Los Angeles, California. And right now, I'm going to go and talk to some of the attendees of the show to see why this is important. I'm your host, Madeline, and come with me as we take a look at what makes Rapid Plus TCT so special. First question is, describe Rapid Plus TCT in one word.
Invigorating.
Very innovative.
Surprising.
Huge.
Mind-blowing.
Where have you come from today?
I'm coming from Santa Clarita.
Guadalajara, Mexico.
We came from Long Beach.
Oh, I'm down here from Seattle, Washington.
I came from Cincinnati, Ohio,
How many coffees have you had today?
I've had 3 coffees here.
and I don't drink coffee.
One. I've had one coffee today.
5.
This is a new record. Nice. Could you tell us what is exciting about Rapid Plus TCT for attendees such as yourself?
The insane booths. Like, these demonstrations are so intense, and I just feel so blessed to see the coolest booths here.
All the different things that are here as far as what's printed, from cars to boarding equipment and everything in between.
One of the really cool things that I saw was at the Impossible Objects booth. I believe it's their CBAM 25, when we got to see parts from the machine, and we got to see the machine running, and the parts look really good. They're nice and strong, and they have that modulus that gives them that ting sound. That was probably the coolest thing I've seen today.
Which sector do you work in?
I'm in the toy company.
Design engineering.
We work in laser powder bed fusion.
Yeah, we're in additive manufacturing.
We're a materials testing laboratory.
So why is Rapid Plus TCT important for you? Like, what brought you here today?
Well, for me, I'm learning a lot.
Yeah.
So the scope of the products that you have here, the different technologies, I was interested in the big things, the little things, printing electronic circuit
Yeah.
boards, all of the software products, just really everything.
I think it allows people to see what's actually happening. You hear about it, you can read about it, but to actually visualize that and put it to your eye and just truly understand what's being done is so important for people.
Where do you see the 3D printing industry in the next 10 years?
Future of 3D printing, things are going to get bigger and faster.
I really think that we're going to see major advancements in the materials science behind what we can print. I think we're going to see a hockey stick of growth in the kids and the younger generation that's learning about this in schools, because we're going to have more lessons targeting additive manufacturing rather than just general manufacturing. And so we're going to get people qualified for the workforce right out of school rather than having to have additional.
I see it more affordable to common people, not only for big industries, but any person could have a 3D printer at home.
And there you have it, folks. Clearly this year, attendees at Rapid Plus TCT have loved the show and the excitement has been palpable. We can't wait to see you again next time at Rapid Plus TCT 2025, taking place in Detroit. See you there.